Wow, guys, I can't believe what I've seen. I leave these in the caravan about 2 weeks, and there's potato growing in the caravan. Wow, look at this. Wow. Now this is crazy. Wow. I'm in the caravan, just come to relax, and there's a potato growing inside the caravan. Man, this is unbelievable. Look at this. I'll see if I find another one. It's actually two more inside the fridge. Three potatoes growing in the fridge. This is crazy, I'm telling you. Look at this. Look at this. Potato growing inside the fridge. Wow. So this is outside of the caravan park. And that's Grace, the German Shepherd there, chilling out. And that's our water there. Inside here is a living room, like where you watch, you want to watch a movie. So this is where I come and chill out a little bit. This one is a 3-bedroom static caravan.